Hey guys, this is Sid, and welcome to my channel Sid Sane. So today we're gonna review Progressive Web Apps Agency. This is a product by Mobifirst team, and we're gonna talk about this software. And I'll also be telling you about the 10 bonus features or softwares that I'll be offering with my link down in the description below. Yes, that's right, 10 bonus exclusive softwares for you guys. All right, so let's start with this. What is a Progressive Web Apps Agency? Okay, guys, what is a progressive web apps agency? So, progressive web app is a combination of the best of the things in a website and add up to that the best of the features of an app. Uh, so, what happens is this makes a very engaging and a rich experience for the customers, and thus, it helps a lot in bringing in more traffic as well as more conversions. As per the new updates also we've seen that Google has laid out it's focusing more on the mobile first standards. So that means if your website is not mobile friendly, it's not going to rank as high as it should have. So if you have a progressive web app, what it does is it just converts a website into an app itself, so you can send up the push notifications to the customer through their mobiles, and it just creates a widget on the phone or the mobile of the customer. So you'll be seeing that in the demo that we'll be showing you later in this video. All right, so I'm just here to let you guys know a brief outlook of what this software is about and what you get in this. So if we talk about the features and benefits, what you get is an agency license. All right, so what happens is that if you're using this PWA, which is a progressive web app, right, you can create an app out of the website, and then you can sell it to the other people. So this is really helpful for people who are running an agency or are freelancers creating websites, or even for small businesses who are running their own business as a website. So they can send out notifications and make a rich experience, and it certainly makes the websites very fast in loading when it is a PWA, right? So the features and benefits is that you get an agency license, so it's included in the front end offer, which is the basic offer. So you can complete the PWAs and sell it over to other people, right? Second comes complete mobile first website builder, so you can basically create a brand new website on the platform, and then convert it into a PWA, which is a progressive web app. Okay, the third is unlimited hosting. So people who are there on Mobifirst, they already know that they get unlimited hosting. So in turn, you can also get unlimited hosting on the PWAs that you build. All right. But for that, you have to have an SSL certificate, which is a must for this, which most people do, I believe. Uh, the third one is 100 pre-made website templates. So there are n number of templates. You'll be seeing that in the video later on. We'll be showcasing that in the demo. All right, there are 100 pre-made website templates that you can choose from, and as per your niche, it has different categories, be it salon, be it a barber shop, be it any kind of a store, any kind of a niche. You can make a website on that. The next one is one-click progressive web apps creator. So once you've created the website on this platform, it's really simple to create an app out of it, and it just takes a click of a button to do that. uh, so this is very interesting. The next one, this says push notification manager. Now what this does is that although the push notifications are only enabled when you have an app of something, now since we're making this PWA, and that's the beauty of it, what we can do is we can send out notifications to the customers, and that keeps them engaged, that keeps them into the brand, into the business, and that's how you convert and make good sales out of it. So this is really a nice feature, and this really so what is the process of using progressive web apps? So what you do is you select the template first. There are 100 plus templates that you can choose from. All right, you'll be seeing that again in the video, in the demo. You edit the template. You just change it as per your need, whatever comes first, whatever comes next, where you put on the image, where you put on the buttons and everything, you can create it there. The third comes installing your SSL certificate. It is a must that you have an SSL certificate if you're creating an app. So if you have it, great. If you don't, I think the Mobifirst guys are providing it. That saves you a lot of time, not money obviously, but that saves you a lot of time in doing that. The fourth one is click a button to turn your site into PWA. So as I told earlier, it's just a click of a button. Once you've created the website, it's really simple to turn it into a progressive web app. So that's what they do. That is the flow of it. That's how you go in it. I don't want to waste your time because you'll be seeing that a lot in the demo, in the clear cut demo, which we'll be following up with this in this review. Um, the next is progressive app agency benefits. So this is all blah blah blah. This is all increase your engagement of cold traffic. What I've already told. It increases the speed of the website. It uh, gives a great, rich experience to the customers, thereby increasing the conversions and decreasing the bounce rate. So that all is there. Now, what all you get in the package? What you'll be getting is you'll be getting 100 Mobifirst templates, as told earlier, for creating the website that you need to. The website builder on which you will be building the website after choosing the template. The converter, this will convert again the website that you've converted into the PWA. The push notification manager. So this is already told by me. You can read it in detail on my review. I'll be leaving the link below in the description again. Ability to clone sites. So once you've created a website or an app of somebody, you can just clone it in the same way with the click of a button, and you don't need to create it from scratch then. Agency license to resell your web app. So a lot of people have done is, I've read a lot of reviews on the internet, and a lot of people are already making money out of it. So the agencies who've bought this software are already selling PWAs at a higher price. For an example, I'll tell you what. Let's just go to Fiverr, and I was just searching progressive web apps, and this is the pricing people are asking for to offer a progressive web app. So this is $30, this is $20, this is $200, $725, $150, $40, $10. So the pricing is all over the place. So you can make good money out of it. So this is just for $27 right now, or maybe $37, depending on when you are seeing this. So I believe this is a steal at this price if you can offer your service. And this is just Fiverr. I'm not talking about the direct clients that you have that you will be offering it to, or the business, or if even if you have your own business and you go to Fiverr, you have to pay this much, uh, and go to and fro with these vendors. So that doesn't make any sense if you have this app right with you. So who should use PWA? As I told you, local businesses who are having their own website, they can convert it into an app and provide a good experience to the customer, sending out push notifications which can really create a bond between the brand and the customers. Website developers, freelancers, agency owners, these go into the same bucket, I believe. So if you have clients who are taking your services, you can offer this service at a premium to them. Makes sense. Now, talking about the PWA agency pricing. Uh, so the PWA starts at $27 to $37 one time, depending on when you're seeing this. I think $27 is the launch week price. The O2O one, the upsell one, is that push notification enterprise upgrade. So you get unlimited number of push notifications under this upsell. Okay, this is $17 per month or $97 for a year. The upsell number two is template club upgrade. So what you get is you get 10 templates per month for 12 months. So in total you get 120 website templates for $67. That's a one time fee for 1 year, I believe. The next upsell is AMP upgrade. Now, what AMP does is AMP speeds up your website, and as Google says, I think uh, even if your site is loading by more than 3 seconds, 53 or 54% of the users leave your site if it's just loading till 3 seconds. So it's a must. You should have a fast and a responsive website. The upsell number four is SSL certificate. So if you don't have your own SSL certificates, they can do it for you. For one site, they'll be charging you $30 per year, and for three sites, $80. If you have your own, that's good, but then it saves your time if you go through these guys. So you can go over the details in my review. You can see everything that is there. The upsell number one, what all is included in that, what is not included in that. Upsell number two, upsell number three, upsell number four, everything. Okay, now talking about the bonuses, the most important part. You will be getting 10 exclusive bonuses from us. You'll be getting a social media boom software. Now, this is a very easy to install plugin. It's a WordPress plugin. Now, this helps in increasing Facebook likes, increasing Twitter shares. So it's all about social media, Facebook and Twitter. All right. The second one comes with Traffic Handbook video course. It's a full in-depth video course, a big course that will provide an in-depth knowledge to you about how to bring in traffic to your website. What complements this is the Traffic Secrets Unleashed. So if you have these two courses, this will be a game changer for you, believe me. This is a great course. I've gone through it and I am loving it. All right. The fourth one is Viral Source Review. So this is more like a list building system, a list building software. All right, this will tell you the power of social media and Facebook notification as a push factor to send messages to the subscribers. So this is another new thing that you can get your hands on to. The next one comes Instant Content Creator. I think this is a must. This is a go-to if you understand the power of content in today's time. All right. Now the other bonuses are coming from Mobifirst. This is a 100% training webinar. This is a pure training webinar designed to be highly valuable for you. We are going to show you what we are currently doing with the Mobifirst PWA and our future plans. So all these uh, softwares or bonuses go along well with the PWA. So if you're missing out on this, you're missing out big time. This includes, I think, coupon widget, uh, scratch off widget, agency website, 32 in one SEO tool. So everything is covered in these softwares. Right now, this is a bonus, which is, I think, which is available for a very limited period of time. And if you don't go ahead with this right now, I think for a very limited period of time, and if you don't go ahead right now in buying this, you can always go for the free bonus that I'm offering. I just don't need to pay anything for this. You just download this video economy copy. That's gonna help you a lot. All right, so I'm gonna just leave you to the review now, leave you to the demo. Just go and watch the demo now, and we'll come back.
Show you
All right,
our
thank you.
mobile first adaptive platform along with our progressive web apps. Let's get right into it because this is very, very exciting and very powerful. Okay, now with that being said, let's get into this mobile first. Yes, mobile first. What you've most likely been working on so far is desktop first. You know, yes, we are going to build through a desktop, but it is for mobile first. We then adapt it to the other screens. That is the way Google wants it, and that's the way we do it. Then you add in the progressive web apps with mobile first. Well, folks, get ready for websites about to be changed across the globe. Okay, now I'm not going to spend too much time on the mobile and desktop sites because we really want to see this progressive web apps. And progressive web apps has push notifications. Yes, can even work offline. I know that sounds crazy, but can even work offline. Let me just walk through the platform real briefly. We'll see if I ever have anything up in here. It means there's something that is required. Oh, look at that. Some tutorials to come in. All right, let's go right over here to mobile and desktop sites. Here we go. Already, you see that? You're greeted with a very, very nice tutorial. Now, you're going to want to import a site. Okay, now depending on the preferences that you have purchased, the templates, what, mind you, is what you're going to be able to build. Now, you can also build with no templates and mobile first. All right, let's go ahead and let's go and make a site. So all we would do, we use the wizard or manually do it ourselves. Let's use the wizard. Okay, now with this in place also is another tutorial showing you exactly what to do. Again, as you watch it, those will pop away. Look at this, a wealth of templates. Now these are active, you can look at them, view them. Now let's say we wanted to use this one for example. We're going to go through here, this comes up. Okay, I love it. Let's go here, let's create this template and we'll create the template. Now just testing. And since our hosting is provided on this, it already comes with its own generated HTTPS link, which is really cool. See right there, I have a working template right now. I can view the site. Excellent. Look at this. I mean, this is high quality. We're talking like WordPress style, but without all that is needed for WordPress. I can move everything around. I can get in here, do everything. Look at this. This is absolutely incredible. See the 3 devices right up in here. I can click to view it in full screen. Now these are working. Look. You're not going to get this anywhere else, folks. So welcome to that. And then when we get over to the push notifications and progressive web apps, wow. So now here I am. Now watch the kind of things I can do. I can come into the home screen, home page. Now depending on the widgets that you have, depending on the permissions that you have, wow, what you get to build is incredible, from a blog, buttons, some e-commerce, all widget based. So look at this. Absolutely phenomenal what you get to do. So you just simply add a widget, go in, play around with it, design it a little bit, and then there you go. You've now built yourself a website. Put a domain on it. Boom, you are now have a website up. That's about how easy it is. There's videos of me doing this in under 5 minutes. So all your landing pages, your websites, everything. Now welcome to the mobile first era. Okay, now that's so powerful, but yet we're going to add to it progressive web apps. It's a new term for most of you, but progressive web apps is huge. Now, for a progressive web app, you do need an SSL. That is a security certificate. That is required by all the browsers. So you do need that. Now with that being said, let's go ahead and fast forward and say that you have a site, you've made it, you put your domain on it, and now you've added your SSL, or you had us add the SSL. Now one other thing I want to show you while I'm right here. One other thing. Watch when I go over into here. Well, first let's go into options. Look at all the options you're going to have. Header, footer, my library, e-commerce, login users, localization, that's like different languages. Your emails, download and share, analytics, legal, history. We go over into style. Now style is like on the flip of a button. You are now just changing the way everything looks. You see how this looks? Are you ready? Watch this. This is so amazing. You can make one site, clone it, and all of a sudden you're just going back in there doing the style, and look, you see how that changed? Look at that. Look at that. That is incredible. Scroll on down, even more customization. Oh, even more. This is something you can import and just base import and customize even more if you wanted to. Holy jeez. You can just do basically anything with this system. It's powerful. Mobile first. Look at this. We can go over here and we just refresh it. Let's go view this in big screen. Wow. Now remember, or see this, you're building them all at the exact same time too as well. We're not flipping back from one to another. You're building mobile first and then it adapts to the other pages. Alright, now like I said, progressive web apps. Click of a button right over into here. So this is what your platform is going to look like, this, or very similar to this, progressive web apps. You're going to go ahead and make one. Create a new progressive web app. You've already made your site. Once you've made your site, you put your SSL on it. Now we're going to create that new PWA. I've already done some of this, so let me fast forward to that. Now I just happen to switch platforms where I have my progressive web app on my other one. But now let's show you. I've built my site. I put my SSL on it. I'll show you over into here. Now mine, I happen to actually just build like a business type card for myself. See right over into here. You see I put my domain on it, and there we go. There we go. That is my progressive web app and my website. Let me show you. Alright. So all I did when my site was built, I went over to here, or I could go right here, and I hit progressive web app. That is it. That is it. I essentially going to click this, click of a button. It doesn't get any easier. Well, since I've already put my SSL certificate on it, my progressive web app is good to go. Click of a button, install an SSL, and now you have a progressive web app. Wow. Now, you see down here, more customization. I put my name on here, description. This is the message. I put my icon in here. I can change the background. Advanced options, yes. Add to home screen. Folks, this is the wave of the future. Not only is mobile first the wave of the future, but progressive web apps as well. You combine the two, you're just unstoppable. Alright, perfect. We've customized it. I've already customized my site. Now, we want to send out some push notifications. I go over to here, manage push notifications. Pretty awesome. All right, now here's some push notifications that I sent out to as well. Now what a progressive web app is going to look like an icon on your phone, like an app, like all those apps you have on your phone now. Now websites are going to be able to be turned into progressive web apps that you don't need to download from a Play Store, an iOS store, nothing like that. It is the evolution of apps. Now let's go and create a new push notification. Let's show you ones that I've already processed, all right? Let's show you this one. There we go. Process sent. So look at all the stats that come out. So perfect there. All right, let's go back. Let's try another one over into here. And there we go. Oh, it was all in the same time there, so it looks like there was something that I possibly did wrong. Now, what a great way. What a great way. You just see that push notification? Somebody had become a new grandfather and they got a push notification as that message. Isn't that nice? All right, now let's go ahead and create a new push notification. Now this, what it is basically almost like a text message that'll come across. We'll put push notification attempt here. You put your body in here. Your main content would go right into here. Control C, select the copy and put that in. You can put a link at the bottom. They can go, you can schedule it. Let's go here and put in a drag and drop right over into here, an icon that they'll see. Perfect. All right. As easy as that, I'm about to get ready to send a push notification. I simply type in send. Yes, it is this easy. It really is this easy. There, now it will process. Now this push notification is going to go out to anybody who has my progressive web app on their phone. As simple as that. Now let me show you what it looks like on a phone. Let me show you what it looks like installed on a desktop too as well. This is so much fun. Let me get that for you. Okay, now I am back with the desktop version. As crazy as this sounds, folks, yes, this will show up like an icon also on the desktop too as well. It's exactly what it looks like. Okay, so this is my progressive web apps installed. You see over here, I can even uninstall it if I want to. I can uninstall it. Now this is where push notifications will come across. See, there's that push notification that I sent right there. So now if somebody's on their computer, if they miss the notification, a little note will come up in here. And then now, this is your progressive web app on a desktop. Pretty awesome. Functions just like a website, everything, but now you can send notifications on too as well. And this also works in offline capabilities, which I'll show you a little bit. All right, so that's the desktop one. Let me show you as well. Let me minimize all of this. Yes, that is me. And look, right there. That's the icon, see? Look at that. Who doesn't want to be on somebody's computer screen? All right, now what I'm about to bring over is my mobile phone, and now I'm actually mirrored my phone right in here. So this is my cell phone. I have sent myself my domain. It is HTTPS. Right up in here, I have a little notification actually. I still have to do this. You see what is going to happen is now you've sent your somebody your website. Imagine a local business. Imagine a marketer. Imagine what you can do with this, right? Now they added you to home screen. That's it. They just add you to home screen. You're used to this by doing it with apps. Now you're doing it with progressive web apps. Disney's doing it. YouTube's doing it. We go and add it. Okay, this can't be this difficult, right? This is just so easy. We added it. Adding, and there we have it. And there we have it. That is now an icon on my phone. Now, let me go over in here and show you push notifications. See? It's going to look like a text message. There'll be like a little one over top of it when you actually, if you miss the notification. Let me grab that too as well. Okay, I am back. Here it is. Doesn't it look like an app? It looks just like an app, doesn't it? You click on that and it's a progressive web app. Now, some of the things that must be mentioned on this. Obviously, SSL, very important, has to have that. Another thing, maybe you blinked. How fast these open once they're on somebody's phone and they've opened it once, maybe twice, is near instantaneous because it's now part of their cell phone cached in. Plus your customers can also uninstall it, and select not to have notifications. Perfect. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like. Let me go right in here. And again, that's it. There's another one that we have, one of our dentists who uses it for his dental office. What I want to show you is something very, very unique. If you do remember, I said offline. Now I'm going to show you this, and I'm going to take my cell phone into offline. I'm simply going to go into airplane mode. Let's go. Well, first I'll do this. Let me go into airplane mode. I'm now in airplane mode, okay? So I have no data. I have absolutely no data. Now let me go ahead and reconnect. Alright, airplane, I'm in offline mode. Now to show you, watch. Alright, let's try to log into anything. Nope, can't do it. Of course we can't because we know we're in offline. Let's go anywhere that we're offline. Okay, just Venmo. No, you see we're offline. Okay, alright. But, however, let's go ahead and click on this one. And I am offline. Still working. Now I'm able to view content. I'm able to view that first page of that site. Offline. Now, maybe I'm on an airplane and I'm in offline mode. Airplane mode. And I'm sitting beside somebody and we're talking and now I get to share them this. And then they get to put this on their home screen on their phone. Wow. Alright folks. So what I've just shown you is the world's first and only mobile-first adaptive platform with a very, very powerful progressive web apps addition to it with capabilities of sending push notifications. Welcome to the evolution of online marketing, online websites, online everything right here in front of you. Thank you so much.
Alright, guys, so I think the demonstration was useful to you guys and you understood most of the part. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel so that I can, update you about the future videos that I come up with. Also, please don't forget to get access to these bonuses once or if you plan on to go ahead with buying the PWAs. Alright, have a good day. Thank you so much.